zoom in on the coolest computer.
You gotta go left. Oh, wait, go back out. Hold on.
There she is.
There it is. There she is. I have only one bar. It's like the wireless, like Amex.
Let it dangle.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you were gonna have dangle, like just images of me going like this would just be randomized. She's watching. She's watching.
She watching.
She was when Zach was gone.
We should do it, and then when it's angled, and it gets everyone. What? What?
No.
Zach stole $30.
Damn it. Oh, I mean, crap.
Damn it.
You gotta call me and tell me. I'm never gonna remember to bring it to school. What happened?
It's on your peanut.
That hurt, actually. I feel like my eyeball got scratched out.
Didn't you work on it that one day?
Yeah, but the computer froze on me.
What did you get someone?
Yo, Josh, flash.
The computer froze on me.
Makes some noise and everything.
What the F frick is that?
What the F frick is that? Wow. That was probably the queerest thing I think I've ever heard.
Yo, shut up.
Play that movie.
Play it. Oh, it's at like 5, 3, 2, 1. Say fuck.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.